In my previous episode 10, parallel to, Mr. Uno Dos left a message. Hi, off topic I think. I ran into a bump on something and I was wondering if you could help, but I don't want to bother you. Well, the thing is that I want to put in order an integer that's in a string and in a text file. It starts your name, age, time, date. So there are multiples of these in the text file, and I want to order them by age, by the oldest to the youngest. How could I iterate through the string to get to that character or int? So this is Mr. Uno Dos's question. How would I iterate through the string to get to that character or int? It is a problem of lexical scanner. In this episode, scan string buffer text instead of console or file input using Flex. Please refer to this video. In this video, I explained how to create lexical scanner. Also, get input from file for Bison Flex application. If you want to create lexical scanner with a file input, then please watch this video. In this video, I explained how to create lexical scanner for file input. Also, scripting language template solution exit statement. In this video, I implemented a scripting language template solution and I implemented exit statement. How to implement goto and function through this series of videos. I tried to help my audience understand how to implement scripting language. But the click count is just 44 views, 24 views, even 18 views. The last episode 33 views. I wanted to help my audience understand how to implement a scripting language, but the click count was very low. So I stopped filming this series of videos. Though I cannot answer this question, how would I iterate through the string to get to that character or int in this episode? But I will answer this question. I want to order them by age, by the oldest to the youngest, or vice versa, using containers of tuples or containers of variance. In this episode, type list std variant container of variance from this series of video graphs in C++, I implemented containers of variance. Also, in this video, type list std tuple container of tuples, I implemented container of tuples. Also, undoable or restorable sort. In this episode, I explained advanced sorting technique or restorable sorting technique. Whenever I film videos about advanced C++ programming technique, the click count is very low. In this episode, Advanced C++ Containers and Advanced C++ Sorting Technique, you will learn something that nobody can teach you. So we should be grateful to Mr. Uno Dos, who left me such a wonderful question. I will post this script in the description section below. Scroll down. Please double-click this link to download source code from our previous episode. Show in folder. Unzip the downloaded file. Rename it 12 Advanced Containers Sorting Technique. Copy the folder. Paste it to your working folder. This is my working folder. Start Visual Studio Code. Open the folder. Click this button. Rename. Sorting. Hit enter. Double click. Ctrl V. Ctrl N. Disable it. Void advanced container sorting technique. Copy this function name, paste it here using name t std string using age t int using job t std string enum field idx name idx age idx job, or I will insert using wait t double idx wait. Don't forget semicolon here. The order of name t, age t, weight t, job t should match idx name, idx age, idx weight, idx job. Talk, play, fun. Types vector of tuple name t, age t, weight t, job t using container t. Now container t people in place fact Thomas Kim. This is name. Age is 23. Weight is 63.0 kilograms. Job is translator. I will insert one more. Sophia Kim, 19. Weight 64. Researcher. I will insert one more. Uno, dos. Age 25. 70 kilograms. Student. I say postdoc. I will put one more person. Alice Lee, 24, 55, architect. Now stream people and there. I will put another and there. Now we create index container std vector size t indices people size allocate memory for indices of people. Now we sort std execution parallel indices begin indices end. Now we capture people auto I auto j auto reference age std get idx age people. I say age I auto age j std get idx age people return age I less than age j. At this point we sort the indices of people, not the people itself. For auto idx means index. Auto the first is name, age, weight, job. Name, age, weight, job. People idx stream I am name age years old stream I weigh weight kilograms my job is job nl and there stream output people in age ascending order. NL and L. Now copy once again. Paste. Print people in age descending order. Now we put talk play fun reverse. Please note that we do not resort the people. We only list people in reverse order using indices. Now start command prompt dir cd 12 advanced container sorting technique. I mistyped. cl ehsc std C++17 sorting.cpp fe m.exe. Hit enter. Sorry. Hit enter. Sorry. I have to fix like this. Now let's rebuild. CLS M. See, this is the container output people in age ascending order. There's something wrong. Sorry. We have to initialize this container. std iota indices begin indices and size t 0. I forgot this step. Now rebuild CLS M. So this is our original container. I am Sophia Kim, 19 years old. I weigh 54. My job is researcher. I am Thomas Kim, 23 years old. I am Alice Lee, 24 years old. I am Uno Dos, 25 years old. Now output people in age descending order. I am Uno Dos, 25. I am Alice Lee, 24. I am Thomas Kim, 23. I am Sophia Kim, 19 years old. All works correctly. I will copy this function once again. Copy, paste. I will rename it by name. All we need to change is this part. Okay? Then I copy this. Copy. Paste it here. I will disable it. And I will say in this function, name ascending order, name descending order. We build again CLS M. Now output people in name ascending order. Alice Lee, Sophia Kim, Thomas Kim, Uno Dos. People in name descending order. Uno Dos, Thomas Kim, Sophia Kim, Alice Lee. All works perfectly. Please note that vector of tuple, right click, go to definition. Vector of tuple is defined talk play fun types.hpp here. The queue of tuples, list of tuples, set of tuples, map of tuples, multimap of tuples, unordered map of tuples, unordered multimap of tuples. Also you can find vector of variance, the queue of variance, list of variance, set of variance, multiset of variance, unordered set of variance. All these things are defined in talkplayfun type.hpp. By clicking this link and watching this series of videos, graph in C++, you can learn how to implement these container classes. If you give like buttons and leave comments, I can film more good videos. In my next episode, episode 13, I will explain how to use thread local storage. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.